Every employer that I talk to, they will say the same thing. And there's no doubt that the changes that were made a couple of years ago have had an impact on employers. Because remember, every time an employer takes on a young person, it's a risk. It's a risk because the young person is unproven. It's not like taking on an older worker with a CV and a track record. So the job of public policy is to minimise the risks, maximise the incentives. But no one should pretend that the decline in the entry-level job began 2 years ago. This began decades ago. It's been going on for years and years. There are 1.6 million fewer entry-level jobs now in the economy, low and medium-skilled jobs, than there were at the beginning of the century.
So the tax changes have made it worse, but they're not caused the problem.
It's a long-term structural problem, and young people are very much on the front line of that problem.
In the heart